Legend in a pack. No way. Yasir, I have to give you this much money, 3 million. Oh my gosh, why do I have to give you 3 million? Wow, I hate these series. I'm gonna be, my bank account is not gonna look healthy. I'm gonna have to give you a lot of money. Remember the last video? If you didn't check it out first. Legend in a pack. Oh my gosh. But the wait, I got Gillett. You know Gillett, 90 rated Gillett? I got him, so Yasir has to pay me 15 million. And look at these players. And he has to play, I have to pay him 3 million, but that doesn't matter because I'm gonna pay him 50 million. He has to pay me 50 million. Oh, yes it is. Dumb.